Hey, this will be a video chart on SFSH. Once again, this will be the 60-minute chart. Did this one last week sometime, and I want to get it updated again as it's been making some interesting moves here. Today, actually, volume exploded back in, and it made a nice move upwards. However, couldn't quite maintain its gains. We're going to look at it the 60-minute chart, but real quick, I do want to start on the daily chart and point out the one aspect to really keep your eye on, and that is if you're playing this for more of a longer term swing trade, or just you're in this for the long haul, but you're curious on what the long term chart is looking like. The key level for you guys is going to be this blue line here. This is the 10-day simple moving average, and you want to see the price hang above that. As you can see, it's finally leveled off now. It had been going down, but if you look real close, it is going sideways now. And as long as the price can maintain above here, it's going to continue to go sideways, and if you continue to put in highs, it's going to eventually start to curl up, and then that's going to be the start of what would be considered a short-term uptrend. So for you daily players, keep an eye on this 10-day simple moving average. Now for the 60-minute, this one gives a little bit better insight in terms of what's been going on, and you can see that the chart's been putting in higher lows. We had this low and then this low, and it's been maintaining. So higher lows are the name of the game right now, and the bulls have been doing a good job of that. And like the daily chart has, the 10-day simple moving average that you should really keep an eye on. And actually, let's see something. All right, so on the 60-minute, the 50 period is valued at 0.0028. Let's go see what the 10. Maybe they're the exact same. I probably should have checked that before I started. What is the 10-day currently valued at? It is valued at 0.0027. Okay, so that's what I get from not checking this stuff out before I start. So as you can see, the 10-day here, and then when we drop down to the 60-minute, the 50 period right here, they're both valued at basically the same thing. The 10-day was 0.0027. The 50 period is at 0.0028. So either way you slice it, this moving average, or the better way to look at it, the 0.0027, 0.0028 level is going to be the key level of support that we want to see hold for the bulls. So keep that number in mind going forward, and it applies across the board, both the daily chart and the 60-minute chart. Now in terms of resistances, you can see that I remember talking about this previous resistance, and you can see that when it did get through, a nice move happened. It's pulled back now, but once more, because it's dropped below there, the 0.004 level is going to be a key level of resistance. I will leave it a skinny red line because, yes, it is technically a level of resistance, but with another nice upward surge, I don't see it putting up too much of a fight. But the new resistance that's clearly been put in is right up here where the profit takers decided to step in. This, I think, will be a little bit more of a challenge to get through, so I'll make it slightly thicker. But this level is valued at 0.0053. So 0.0053 is going to be the other key level of resistance. But overall, like I said, both on the daily chart and 60-minute, you can see higher lows are being put in. So as long as the 0.0028 level continues to hold, then the bulls are going to have a chance of turning around this whole entire chart. So one day at a time, and as long as that level keeps holding, then they do have a chance. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get charts set up, straight ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SFSH. Thanks for listening.